What's up, ERGO fam? We're back at it. It's almost back to school time, and we're gonna be talking about the summer beach wave, the end of summer beach waves, a super simple hairstyling technique that you can do in the comfort of your own home. We're gonna talk about sectioning, the wave pattern, using our flat and smoothing iron, really making this as simple as possible. Follow along, let's go. Step 1, 3 clips and a comb. Let's go. Step 1, find your natural part. Scoop all the hair back with your comb and push it forward. You'll find that natural line. Then we want to clip out the front. So go to the top of the ear with the comb, take your handy clip it up out of the way, easy as that. Then go all the way to the opposite side. Do the same exact thing. Clip that bad boy out of the way. Then for the back, we'll turn this all the way around, and you're just going to want to scoop up the hair from the top of the ear to the top of the ear, drop that hair out, and clip it up. Step 2, turn on your iron. We're gonna set it to 390 degrees and let it sit for 90 seconds. All right, step number 3, we're gonna take diagonal back sections, right? Because we really wanna create that movement and open up that face. Take the hair, clip it up out of the way. Take your iron that's been preset to 390, and as soon as I clamp down, I'm gonna start rotating and pull straight down to really create that lived-in beachy look. Let's do it one more time. Here we go. Take another diagonal back section right on top of it, and I like working from the bottom and then working my way up. Clip that hair up out of the way. Take that next section, just like so. Run your hands through it, clamp, twist, and go. Really creating that beautiful beachy wave with more of those straight ends. It is perfect. All right, step 4 is we're gonna do the same exact thing on the opposite side, taking that diagonal back section, clipping the hair up out of the way, take your iron over the top. As soon as you clamp down, you start rotating and smooth out those ends. One more time for you guys to see. Grab that section. Oop, there's a little baby underneath. Grab that, twist, rotate, pull. There we go. One little hot tip. You want to be able to have your curls mimic both sides. So whatever side you start on, you want to be able to clamp down at that same exact spot that you did on the opposite side. As you can see, they both start to open up the face at the same exact line. So remember that. You don't want to start one down here and one up here. Little hot tip, there you go. Let's say you do accidentally start a curl a little bit higher than all of the rest. What you can do is you can take your flat iron, go to that area, just bump it out straight, just a little bit, and as you can see, it really moves that down to open it up and make sure everything is at that same angle. Step 5, we're gonna start in the back, and this is really important. Where everything in the front goes in the same direction, with the back, we're gonna rotate. We're gonna do one forward, one backward. Follow along, because what this does is it really creates that movement and texture in the back, creating that super sexy beachy wave. There we go. All right, for these side panels right here, I'm gonna go the same direction as I did in the front. Twist, rotate, pull, grab from the bottom. Then for the next one, I'm gonna go the opposite way, really creating that lived-in texture, that super sexy beachy wave. Grab and pull, and just keep on rotating back and forth all the way through. There you go. So at this point right here, you can see how they're overlapping. One is going this way, one is going that way, really stacking up on each other. And once we get to the end and we brush it out, it's gonna look so good and really all come together. The front opens up the face, the back creates the texture and the movement. All right, so for this last section, it's really important. We want these to lay on top, really encapsulating this beautiful shape that we've created right here. So from the right side, I'm gonna come underneath like so, one little twist and pull right there. So it just kind of lays on top. Then I'm gonna rotate with my other hand coming right here and doing the same exact thing, but from the opposite way and pulling. And as you can see, they're going different directions, but laying on top. Step 6, the last and final step. Use your favorite brushes, your hands, your spirit fingers. Take it from the back, this is the front. Take it from the front and go all the way through. Take your hands, watch this. Let me rotate this just a little bit so you can even see it from the back. Take your hands and go like this. And we created this with absolutely no product. And by doing this, it's slightly breaking up the curls, right? Really giving in that lived-in beachy look. If you added a little bit of texture spray, a little bit of wax, it could even define it more. But we want to show you guys what you can create without product. So if you do have product, it can go to that next level. There you go. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. The Back to School End of Summer Beach Wave brought to you by yours truly, Mr. Brock Goldberg. Have a wonderful day, people. Peace. That's how we did it. If you guys like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that right there. Also, you want to watch more amazing content? Hit it right there. Leave us a like, leave us a comment. Reach out, ask us any questions. We're here. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.